Check it out, party people. It's a calm before another storm. I thought it was going to clear up a lot, but it didn't do it. It's just wanting to do all this crap. Keep changing the forecast, so who knows? We'll just have to see what's going on, but it's just doing all this here. It's right there. There we go. There it is right there. Should see it come up right here. This dark cloud. Oh, just barely. There it is. See it? It's right there. Oh, that didn't help at all. Well, that's why it got brighter. I was trying to give you a better shot of this thing. Oh, and it cleared up a lot more. Look at it. Just for a moment, that's what it's been doing, look. Clears up for a little bit, gets real bright, gets dim. This is horrible.